You can see that it's really hard to focus on this, but it's a much larger inside diameter, and they just clamped it down real tight. Get up there and replace that line. That's the same line, that's the same hard lines that burst to clean one there, and I'm sure they use the right stuff, but I don't like that there's 14 miles of clamp on it. I have smaller ones, and I'll just use the line that I've got because I know I got some really good high pressure fuel line, so I get in there and do that too when I do the tank install. But other than that, I mean, these have a little bit of rust on it, but that's just surface rust. That's okay. I could probably brush some of that stuff on them and they'd be good to go. But yeah, that's about it. Well, it's a good thing we pulled that out. You see this here? I'll hold that next to the one that's the correct size. You can see that it's really hard to focus on this, but it's a much larger inside diameter, and they just clamped it down real tight. That might get you home, but that's not what you want to do. So I got the correct size line. I don't know, like, this seems like the right braided line for high pressure applications. I'm not sure. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna replace it with this stuff. I know this is good. I've used this before. It's from Evil Energy. They're inexpensive and on Amazon, but I've had good luck with their catch cans and their fuel line and stuff. I've never had one pop, so now that I say that, here we go. But I mean, either way, it seems like good stuff. I've had good experience with it, so it's what I'm going to use. Let me get this cut down to length and then thrown up under there and tightened down with some more appropriate size clamps. Oh, I had a flood in my shop about a million years ago. I don't remember. And I bought this tool because I needed to cut some PEX pipe. Save myself a bunch of money. Oh, actually, it wasn't even saving money. We called several plumbers and none of them would come out because they weren't interested in a residential call or something, because I don't live in the city, so the utility district wouldn't help us. I literally, like, if I walk 500 feet down the road, the welcome to town sign is there, but I'm, too far away. I paid access to them, but that doesn't make any difference. So they weren't willing to send someone out. And then I called plumbers and none of them were interested in coming out for like a month. And I actively have flooding of birds that live in the attic in my shop. I don't know why. I don't even know how they get there, but they live there and I guess that's fine. Where was I? Anyway, so I bought this tool and I thought, oh, I'll use this one time, it'll go into a drawer and I'll use it again. Since then, I've used it about 100,000 times. It's really good. So anyway, I just thought I would mention that anyway, because if you want nice cuts on pipes like this, works just as well on this stuff as it does on PEX piping. And you don't have to go buy the Cobalt brand or whatever. I'm not even sure that it's a good brand, but it makes really, really nice cuts. If you want your stuff to look pretty good, all right, does that. Just thought I'd share. If you come across one of these tools, pick it up. You never know. Got a lot of vacuum line with it, fuel line, radiator hose, small radiator hose, not the big stuff. It won't cut more than, it says 1 5/8. So anything under that, you're good. I gotta get back under the car and attach this hose, but as you can see, I have more normal sized hose clamps for it. Just, because I can. All right, and there we go. Now we have a new section of the correct size fuel line in there, and when I go to add in this piece here, that'll be correct too. So yeah, everything's good. Everything's good. Cool. All right. That was easy enough. Just took a couple minutes. This is drying to a matte finish and my runs are permanently there. But at least it's not rusty.